Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So, since the festive season is just going to start off, I'm going to be making, instant glow scrub and mask. My scrub is something which I'm going to be making today in this video, and I will be posting a video soon on the mask as well. So this will go hand in hand for an instant glow on your skin. If you don't have the time to go to the parlor to get your facials done, you can just use the scrub, nicely scrub your skin and use the mask, and you will see that glow on your skin instantly. So in this video today, we are going to be making the glow mask. The scrub. So this is going to be a raspberry scrub. Raspberry again is very good. Berries are very good, very rich in vitamin C, which helps to bring that glow on your skin. It's filled with antioxidants. So if you have any type of dark spots, fine lines, acne spots, you will see that with constant use of the scrub and mask, it will slowly start fading away. So quickly we'll start with the making of this scrub. Now here I have my phases, my oil and my water phase. So here in my oil phase I have my combination of oils, butters, waxes. I have taken all that in my oil phase, everything very nourishing and moisturizing for your skin. Here in my water phase I have a very little quantity of water. This is a small batch I'm going to be making, so I have a very little quantity of water and glycerin as my humectant. Now for the complete information on the exact measurements, you all can definitely join the workshops, but I will be sharing with you all the basic scrub formulation which you all can, as beginners, go ahead and try it out and make it and use it. That is also very effective. But for much more advanced formulations, you all can contact me for my workshops. So now we'll go ahead and we will heat both these phases. Okay, so here I've gone ahead and heated both my phases, and now I'm going to add this little bit of my water phase into the oil phase. It's a very small amount of water phase which I have, and I will just go ahead and mix this well. I am using a blender here. Okay, so now after cooling, after the oil has got cooled, the mixture, this is how the mixture looks like a cream. And now what we are going to do is we are going to slowly add our raspberry powder and our castor sugar in this. Before that, we'll go ahead and add our extracts to this. Please make sure the extracts are added only once your solution is completely cooled down. So here for this we are adding raspberry extract and mulberry extract. So it's a berry extract what we are adding, and we will give this a mix. And now slowly we will start adding the castor sugar mixed with the raspberry powder, and we will start mixing it in the cream. This will look a little stiff in the beginning, but once it all combines and we give it a nice a blend, you will see that it combines very well. Okay, so now we have gone ahead and combined all the sugar, the raspberry powder with the cream, and it looks something like this. It's a little stiff now, so we'll go ahead and give it a good whip with this. Okay, so now after whipping this for about 5 minutes, this is how the scrub looks. This is how we have our sugar scrub. It might look a little bit stiff right now, but this is how it has to be, because what happens is after 24 hours, since there is sugar present in this, it starts to get a little moist, and it starts to get a little wettish in the scrub, and we want it to be stiff so that we don't have any separation, or we don't have any of the oils coming on top of your scrub, which generally happens in these type of sugar scrubs. So we want it to be stiff like this, so that within 24 to 48 hours you have a very, very well set scrub, which will not give you any type of separation. Even if you keep it for around 6-8 months, it will not give you any problem. So friends, this is it with the scrub that we have made today. Glow scrub, a sugar scrub, which is also called a body polish. You can use it on your body, you can use it on your face if you want that instant glow. And after this, very soon I'll be coming up with the mask video, where you all can use both this together for an instant glow on your skin during the festive time. If you like my videos, if you like what I share, if you want me to come up with different innovations, please do like, subscribe, and share the channel with your friends as well, so that as the channel grows, it motivates me to give you all much better videos and more knowledge. And thank you so much, everyone.